Hi there, I'm Thomas. I'm going to show you how to play a G major pentatonic scale on the guitar. The form I'm going to show you is a movable form. This means that you can learn one scale, and by just moving it around the neck, you can play all the major pentatonic scales in any key. Cool, right? Let me show you what I mean. Here's the G major pentatonic, and it starts on the G note. Now, if I move it up 2 frets, G, G sharp, A, this becomes A major pentatonic. Now I can move it up even more. If I go up a few more frets, this is C major pentatonic, starting on the C note. Penta is a medieval Latin term meaning 5. This scale, the pentatonic, has 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next note is a repeat of the first note, an octave. Whereas the normal G major scale has 7 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, there's the octave. Now we're going to break it down, and I'll show you the exact fingering for this scale. But first, I want to show you the difference in sound between the minor pentatonic and the major pentatonic. I use both in improvisation, and you probably should too. Here's the minor pentatonic scale. And now for the major pentatonic scale. Okay, that was fun. Now, let's go over the fingering. Afterwards, I'll show you a neat little trick that helps a lot of people memorize it faster. So we'll start with the second finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. I'm going to use the pinky to go to the 5th fret of the 6th string. Now, over to the 5th string, I'm using my 1st finger, 2nd fret. Then I'm going to use my pinky to do the 5th fret on that 5th string. Ooh, a lot of fifths. So that much again. 3rd fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 5th fret. Now I'm going over to the 4th string, that's the 2nd fret, and then I'm going to end the 1st octave on the 5th fret. That's 1 octave of the G major pentatonic scale. We're going to keep going. We've got another octave to go. Over to the 3rd string. Now my 3rd finger on the 4th fret. Next, 2nd string, 3rd fret. I'm using my 2nd finger. Don't get too attached to this fingering. Not only can you use different fingering, but I actually do interchange occasionally. Now the pinky on the 5th fret. And over to the 2nd finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And that's the 2nd octave. Now I'll go through the whole thing slowly so you can see it all together. Starting on the 3rd fret. 5, over to the 2nd, 5, 2nd, and 5. On to the 3rd string, that's the 2nd, 4th fret, 3rd fret on 2nd string, 5th fret, and then over to the 3rd fret, 1st string. A lot of times when I'm playing the scale, I'll go on to the 5th fret, one more note past the octave, but it's optional. Now, a good way to remember this is to use this lick from My Girl. It's the bass line to My Girl. The rhythm's kind of catchy, and that helps you remember it. First, practice the 1st octave. Try that with me. That's a 3rd fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 5th, 2nd, 5th. Here we go. Ready? Hit it. Bam, bam, bam. That's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now, once you get comfortable with that, try the 2nd octave, starting here. Try that with me once. Pinky on the 5th fret of the 4th string. Ready? Slow. 1st finger, 3rd, 2nd finger, pinky, and over on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then, when you're comfortable with both of those, put them together. And then start here. Once you get comfortable with this fingering for the scale, I encourage you to practice it along with a backing track. It's a lot of fun, and it'll help you to get fluid with it as well as in rhythm. I've created a backing track that I think you'll enjoy, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this video. As usual, if you enjoyed this, I appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like more help with this and other aspects of playing guitar, check out my Real Guitar Success Academy. I'll put a link down below in the description. Bye for now.